Hello students, we have seen in the fraction. Today we are going to discuss the second part of fraction. Before previous video we have discussed about types of fractions and how to compare the fraction, convert them into like ones if unlikes are given, and arrange them in ascending and descending order. Now today we will be moving a step further and we will be seeing the addition and subtraction of fractions. Now when we talk of addition and subtraction of fractions, see, for additions we may have again like fractions or we may have unlike fractions. If we are supposed to add a like fraction like 3 by 15 plus 7 by 15. So this is a like fraction. Like fraction means when we are adding the fractions, take the common denominator, add the numerators as it is, and you are going to get 10 upon 15. 10 upon 15 is nothing but 2 upon 3. Clear? Now, this was like fraction. Now when we are coming to unlike fractions, we can take it as 3 by 21 plus 2 by 7. So 3 by 21 plus 2 by 7. We have the unlike fractions. We are going to first make it as like one. So here it will be as it is. To make a like one, we need to take the LCM of the denominators. Now LCM of the denominator is 21. So this is as it is 21. But to make the uniformity, we can multiply it by 1 and 7 will be multiplied by 3 and the same number is to be multiplied by numerator and denominator. So this comes as 3 by 21 plus 2 3s are 6, 6 by 21, 3 plus 6 by 21, that is 9 by 21, and 9 by 21 is nothing but 3 by 3 3s are and 3 7s are, 3 by 7. Clear? So we have quickly recapped and seen that how to add like fractions, how to add unlike fractions. Now moving a bit further, we will be doing the subtraction part of this. Now what is subtraction? Again same, subtraction of like fraction and subtraction of unlike fractions. The process is going to be the same what we have done for the addition purpose. Now we are going to do the same with subtraction also. Like fraction, 7 by, you can take it as 10 minus 2 by 10. So common denominator, subtract the numerator, you are going to get as 5 by 10, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So how simple it is? Now for the unlike fractions, 2 by 7 minus 1 by, you can take it as 2 by 12, not 2 by 12. Let's take the example as 3 by 7 minus 1 by 2. Okay? Now when we are taking 3 by 7 minus 1 by 2, 7 and 2, nothing is common. The LCM will come as 14. So if it comes as 14, 7 into 2 and 2 into 7, subtraction in the middle, 3 into 2 and 1 into 7. So this comes as 6 by 14 and this comes as 7 by 14. Now here what will happen is 6 minus 7 by 14 is nothing but minus 1 by 14. Clear? Now 3 by 7 we have just done the part, and already in the integer we have learned that when a positive and a negative number is there, sign are different, we will subtract the number and will allot the sign of the greater number, that is 7. 7 is negative, so minus 1 by 14. Clear? We have seen the like fraction and unlike fraction. Will move ahead and see the simplification part where we will be using both unlike and like fractions required, and what happens if the fractions are given in mixed form. If the fractions are given in mixed form, then the first thing is to convert the fraction into improper one and then proceed with what is asked. What is asked, like if it is addition. First step, when you are having a mixed fraction like 3 2 by 5 plus 4 1 by 3. In such a case, how you are going to add? First step is to convert this into improper one. So this is 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. Here it is 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13 by 3. Now this is as simple as the second part which we have done for the addition of unlike fractions. So again here we will have that 15 as the denominator. So to get to 15 as denominator, 5 will be multiplied by 3 and 17 will be multiplied by 3. Whereas 13 will be multiplied by 5 and 3 will be multiplied by 5. Now we will be getting this as 15 and 15 plus 3 7s are 21, 2 in hand, 3 1s are 3 and 5 51. Here it is 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5 and 6 65. Again taking the numerators and taking 15 denominator as common, we will be getting the value as 5 plus 1 is 6 and 116 by 15. Now we need to simplify it and write it in the mixed format. So in short, if we are writing an addition of mixed fractions, we are going to get the result as mixed. That is 7 11 by 15. How we got this? 15 is we have done the division part here, and this is your remainder, this is your whole number part, and this will be your numerator part. So let's quickly see an example for a mixed fraction subtraction. The example goes like subtract 3.5 from 5 1 by 4. That is 5 1 by 4 minus 3.5. So when we convert this, this becomes 20. This is 4. 5 4s are 20 plus 1 is 21 minus 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Now 21 by 4 minus 7 into 2 by 2 into 2. So 21 by 4 minus 14 by 4 will give you 4 as common, and 21 minus 14. Now 21 minus 14 will be nothing but 7 by 4, and 7 by 4 is going to give you 3 by 4. So this was an example where we have seen that how to add and how to subtract if the fractions are given in mixed format. Clear? So what we have seen? We have seen the addition of unlike fractions, subtraction of like, subtraction of unlike fractions, and the third step we did, we have taken an example of mixed fraction addition and mixed fraction subtraction. Moving ahead, we will be taking an example for simplification part. Now, simplify 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. If this is the question, simplify 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Now what we will do? We are going to take the LCM, and LCM will be coming as 10. So this is 7 by 10 plus 2 into 2, as 5 will be multiplied by 2 plus 3 into 2 as 5 will be multiplied by 2. So this is 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 6 by 10 in overall 10. 7 plus 4 plus 6 will give you 7 plus 4 plus 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 by 10. And we are going to get it as 1, 7 by 10. Clear? So we have seen a simplification example also. Now we'll move forward to see one more example. So next examples where we are going to see that mixed fraction simplification. Simplification part in fraction includes, first example which we have seen for simplify was totally with addition. Here we have subtraction and addition. In this example, 2 addition and 2 subtraction. So how we are going to move further? See, as we can see that this is 5 by 9 minus 7 by 12 plus 1 by 2. The LCM of 9, 12 and 2 will be 36. To make this denominator as 36, we are going to multiply numerator and denominator by 4. To make this denominator as 36, multiply it by 3. And for this one, we are going to multiply it by 18. Remember the multiplication for numerator and denominator, the number which we are using to be multiplied will be same. Now this is 20 by 36 minus 7 3 is 21 by 36 and plus 18 by 36. All the denominators are same, 36 taken as common. Numerators as it is with the sign copy, 20 minus 21 plus 18. Now we can take two positive numbers, that is plus 20 and plus 18, that is 38 minus 21, or if we reverse the sign and solve it, like this is positive, this is negative, so answer between these two will be minus 1 plus 18, minus 1 plus 18 is minus 17, plus 17, because 18 is greater, having a positive sign. So whether you follow the process or you club with sign, you are going to get the same number 17 by 36, which is a proper fraction. No more simplification is required here. Now moving to the next example where 4 fractions are given, 2 are added and 2 are subtracted. Now the first step, as I told you, convert the mixed into improper. So we have converted it. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 by 5. 10 2s are 20 plus 1 21 by 10. And then 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 as it is. Now taking the LCM comes to be 20. Multiply this fraction by 4 to find the equivalent with denominator 20. 10 multiplied by 2 will be giving you 20 as a denominator. So 21 has to be multiplied by 2 to get the equivalent denominator. So here also we are getting 3 by 2 will be multiplied by 10 and 10, both numerator and denominator, and 4 to be multiplied by 5. Similarly 1 will be multiplied by 5. The next step of simplification gives you 64 by 20, 42 by 20, 3 tens are 30 by 20, 1 into 5 is 5 and 20. Again common denominator with the sign as it is, the numerators are taken, add the positive 1 and solve this negative part also. Minus 30 and minus 5 will give you minus 35. Simple operation of subtraction done. As the numerator is greater than the denominator, convert it into mixed fraction. Now, so we have seen the addition of fractions, whether they are as it is as a like one or with unlike denominators or with mixed fraction. Even the combination of that which is helping to solve the simplification, we have seen that. Now moving towards the word problem. Coming to the word problems, we have 2 examples on board. The first one is what should be added to 15 2 by 3 to get 18 5 by 6, and what should be subtracted from 17 3 by 4 to get 11 2 by 3. The first step in the fraction chapter, wherever we find mixed fractions, immediately change them into improper one. So here, what should be added? What is to be added? Let x to be added. Let x be added. Or This is to be added to 15 2 by 3 to get 18 5 by 6. Clear? Now what is this empty box? Empty box is written with x plus 15 2 by 3 is equals to 18 5 by 6. Statement is converted into mathematical representation. Now converting 15 2 by 3 into mixed is 47 by 3, that is 3 into 15 is 45, 45 plus 2 is 47. Similarly here 18 5 by 6 is converted as 113 by 6. Now here at this step we need to understand that we can use two methods here. One is transformation method, where we are transposing 47 by 3 to the other side, and whenever transposition is done the sign will be changed. So x and plus 47 by 3 is transferred to the other side with minus 47 by 3. Again the same operation, making the denominator as 6 multiplied numerator and denominator by 2. You will be getting 94 by 6, and then taking 6 as common, 113 minus 94 is nothing but 19, and denominator is 6. This is in improper form, so will be converted into mixed as 3 1 by 6, resulting as 6 3 is 18 plus 1 19. Similarly, if the question instead of added it is subtracted from, now when it is subtracted from, 17 3 by 4 is subtracted, x is to be subtracted is equals to 11 2 by 3. Now x is negative, so how to find a negative number? To remove this negative sign, we are using the second method, adding x on both the sides. When you are adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing the same quantity with the numerator and denominator, you are getting an equivalent fraction. Similarly, when it is LHS and RHS, whether you are adding or you are multiplying or you are dividing, the equation is not going to change, it will be as same. Now, so this is 71 by 4 is equals to 37 3 by x. What happens to this minus and plus? This gets 0. Now, x is as it is, 35 by 3 is transported to the other side with negative sign. Now again making the denominator same as 12, equivalent fractions, then taking denominator common, numerator as it is with the sign, we are going to get 73 by 12, which is nothing but 6 1 by 12. So till now we have seen the word problems. Let's take two more word problems based on addition and subtraction. So two examples. Now the first one is Ravi bought 5 3 by 4 kgs of potato and 3.5 kg tomato. What is the total weight of vegetable bought? The question is as same as we have done. The only change part which is changed here is instead of the whole number, the weight is given in fraction. So weight of potato (5 3 by 4 kg), that is 20 plus 3 is 23 by 4 kg. Weight of tomatoes is 3.5 kg, nothing but 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 by 2 kg. Now total weight vegetables is equal to 5 3 by 4 kg plus 3 1 by 2 kg, that is nothing but 23 by 4 plus 7 by 2 kg. Yeah. Now this is 23 by 4 plus multiply this by 4 to make it as 4. So this becomes 14 by 4, and which is nothing but 37. 3 plus 4 is 7, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 4, that is kgs. Then 9 4s are 36, 37, 36 plus 1, 37. So total weight of vegetable bought is 9/1/4 kg. Clear? Now coming to the second example, where Rohit ate 4/7 part of cake and his sister ate the remaining part of it. Who ate more and by how much? Think that this is your cake. Now the cake is divided into, or let this be the cake. It is divided into 7 parts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So among this 4 part, 1, 2, 3, 4, till here is the part taken by Rohit. The remaining part is by his sister. Clear? With this we know that Rohit ate 4/7. Now sister ate is 1 minus 4/7. Part of cake Rohit ate. Similarly, part of cake sister ate. Now here it is 7 minus 4/7, that is 3/7. Exactly, we can see here also Rohit ate 4/7 and sister ate 1, 2 and 3, that is 3/7. Now we came to know that sister ate 3/7 part. We also need to find who ate the more. So to compare this 4/7 and 3/7, we know 4/7 is greater. So who ate more and by how much? So for by how much, it is 4/7 minus 3/7 means 4 minus 3/7 is 1/7. So Rohit ate more by 1/7 part of cake. Clear? So with this we have seen variety of examples, addition, subtraction, word problem, what to be added, what to be subtracted. Now we will be ending our session here. Keep practicing for the similar problems and do solve the assignment based on this. We'll be meeting with the second part. We will be meeting with the third part of the fraction, where we will be discussing about multiplication and division of fractions. Keep practicing. Thanks for now.